door and look who it is. So, they're so cool for bringing us some eggs. These are fresh from their chickens in the backyard. And he actually said they had a multitude of them. There was multiples. So a lot of them, they laid a lot of them. So excited because they're going to be fresh. Come on, baby. Let's get up, okay? Yeah. You don't want to be late to school, okay? Okay. Okay, let's get up. Let's get you some water. Okay. Why are you crying, Spade? Oh my goodness. Punchy. So I have to make Nunu a lunch last minute because he didn't want lunch at school today. Thank you, boo boo.
Got the water and the ginger.
Yes. Thank you so very much. You're helping so much.
Here you go.
Thank you, baby. I'm gonna put it in your bag. Okay.
No, I won't put it in the bag.
Well, no, just leave it. I got you.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
I'm gonna hook you up. You just relax. Okay. Where's your backpack?
Because I said you can't go outside. You need to tell your disrespectful friends stop knocking at my door. Who you calling? Grandma. I don't care what she say. You ain't going. Hey, Mama. Hey, my grandbaby. Yeah, my dad never let me go outside with my friends. Put him on the phone. I don't give a damn what she say. I bet you will go outside. I bet you that. Now, no. Why you let my grandbaby go outside? Because I said...
It's okay, Groove. Bibbin, are you thirsty?
Can you just ask?
Look how he just looks.
Can you just ask?
Is that a bird? Okay. L. O. V. I was like, where is this going? V. E.
I don't know how to do it. Ready? If you want to know what I'm going to give you, then see me tomorrow. Bye.
So we got a sprout. We have the first sprout kind of rising through the top. I'm hoping that's not what I planted and the soil just fell away. But it looks like the stem grew a lot. So I'm excited. And I planted 4, so we're gonna see if the other ones sprout. When the other ones sprout. Excuse me. When the other ones sprout. Love it.
But they're gonna put the bacon.
Okay.
You mean higher?
I see.
Oh! Ew! Ew! Can you save this for me? My swing! I got him! Yeah, here. Jump. So,
You scared to jump?
I'm scared.
It's not that
I
tall.
broke my ankle.
Here, let me help you. Lean on me. Come here. Squat down. There you go. Silly.
Okay.
It's so cloudy. But it's been such a beautiful day, to be honest.
Oh, look.
What?
A nut.
Is it? Like an acorn? Oh, let me see. Let me see. And check. Wow. Yeah,
We
that's
just
an
found an
acorn.
We should pay.
Very cool. Why? I'm walking out of the park. We are walking out the park, and I find this scripture on the ground. I'm gonna read it. Thank you, Abby. Is it good? The other ones look really good. I think that one's churro, the semi-chocolate chip, and then the frosted oatmeal, I think.
Because you deserve everything you want and
inside a snowflake, like the one on your sleeve, there happened a story you must see to believe. The home of the Who's.
Wow.